Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will learn how to pronounce the word Centennial. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The town celebrated its centennial with a parade, fireworks, and a special performance by a local band. Centennial refers to an event or anniversary that occurs every 100 years, marking a significant milestone or momentous occasion in history. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.